Right folks, so here we are with the Audioline 341 original mic, and apart from the clip at the back of the mic, it's in lovely condition. Comes in a box as well. So this is the one we started the repair in the radio club meeting on Saturday, and that I've subsequently finished today. So we'll go to Mega Chippie channel, Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Excellent, I'll plug my speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
So is that the right socket? Tango 21 ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger. So you've got a coffin mic with these.
Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Roger, on that I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up to the end of the lane, past Woody's lay-by, and the field on the right with nothing much in it at the moment.
Roger on that, we'll have it in the more trebly position.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that, it's probably quite late today.
No, it's only 25 past.
I was thinking we went shopping this evening, and yeah, okay, we're spot on time then.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Where have you got you going through Ancaster Crossroads?
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
You already got your loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on audio line 341 from 1981.
set that uses the Uniden chassis, and it's doing a full 4 watts, and I'm on the factory original mic, over.
Yep, roger that, that's all received.
Roger.
Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilford level crossing.
Roger.
It struck me, you know, this is the one of the best sets that it was available at the time. Well, people always said these were one of the best sets of £119.99. And yesterday when we did the first 2000, they seemed to be the worst set ever produced. So in my end, it makes no difference at all. Geez, I'm giving you that. Not geez, Jeff, it is Tango 21 on this one.
Yeah, roger.
That's it.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Well, you got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. From Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on this audio line 341 from 1981, it's going 1.1 amp to deliver 4 watts output. It's an adjustable low power, so we've got it set to the proper 400 milliwatts. So here we go, 54321, and we're on 400 milliwatts, and the radio is now going 440 milliamps. So now we'll go back to full power. There we are back at full power, which is 4 watts over.
Yeah, roger that. Well, that's very good tonight.
Mind you, yesterday it was only 200 milliwatts on low power.
Yeah, I mean, given the conditions are changing with the leaves and all that, low power actually could pass for high power 6 months ago or 3 months ago or whatever.
Yeah, and of course, which is why we choose this position, that it's a ropey position. It's no good choosing test positions which work well.
Roger.
Yeah, off you go when you're ready.
Roger that.
Tango 21 from Mississippi, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on this audio line 341 from 1981. It's drawing 1.1 amp to deliver 4 watts output. It's an adjustable low power, so we've got it set to the proper 400 milliwatts. So here we go, 54321, and we're on 400 milliwatts, and the radio is now drawing 440 milliamps. So now we'll go back to full power. There we are back at full power, which is 4 watts over.
Yeah, roger that. Well, that's very good tonight.
Mind you, yesterday was only 200 milliwatts on low power.
Yeah, I mean, given the conditions are changing with the leaves and all that, low power actually could pass for high power 6 months ago or 3 months ago or whatever.
Yeah, of course, which is why we choose this position, that it's a ropey position. It's no good choosing test positions which work well.
Roger.
Right, off you go when you're ready.
Roger that.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Yeah, 153.7, 165.9.
Excellent, that worked very well. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Thank you.
Yeah, 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, 153.7, 165.9.
Excellent, that worked very well. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Thank you. Right. Well, that did work great. So, as I was saying on that over the radio, yesterday's Fidelity 1000 worked very well. That set is greatly loved by its owner, and there's good sentimental reason for that. And this radio is also loved by its owner, and there's great sentimental reason for that. But these were $119.99 at the time, and those Fidelity 1000 were $69.99 at the time. And these were deemed to be one of the best radios on the market, and those Fidelity 1000 were one of the worst. But as far as what I've done at this end, we've gone one to the other. This is doing 4 watts, the Fidelity was doing 3.5. It makes no difference. But the clarity on the Fidelity, I bet you, the clarity on that Fidelity is better than the clarity on this for transmit. But on receive, because it's got a tone control, which I've got in the high position, it is slightly better at this end. Now if I'd got it in the low position, it would have sounded much like yesterday's Fidelity 1000. I'm in a rural area, of course, and we do know that the Fidelities get the bleed over. But these aren't quite as sensitive. So there you go. Go from one extreme to the other in consecutive tests. So we've done this out of sequence. We should have done the Colt 295A for the trade, but because I'd half started this in the chapel at the club meeting on Saturday, I thought I'll finish it off and get it back to an end user customer. So we'll go to our base station and see what it sounds like.
Tango 21, testing the audio line 341 into our Midland 76900 base station using the factory original mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll pop this onto low power as a hum test, and it's 400 milliwatts. There we are on 400 milliwatts, low power. Flick it back to full power, and there we are on 4 watts. So there you go. So I think it's the Colt 295A tomorrow. Thanks for watching.